At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an agency business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Choose your niche. Decide what type of agency you want to start based on your skills, interests, and market demand. It could be digital marketing, graphic design, web development, PR, etc. 2. Market research. Understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Identify gaps in the market that your agency can fill. 3. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your agency's goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. 4. Legal structure. Choose a legal structure for your agency, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. 5. Finances. Determine your startup costs, including equipment, office space, software, and marketing expenses. Consider how you'll finance your business, whether through personal savings, loans, or investors. 6. Brand identity. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your agency's values and appeals to your target audience. This includes creating a memorable name, logo, website, and marketing materials. 7. Build a team. Hire skilled professionals who complement your strengths and can help deliver high-quality services to your clients. Consider freelancers or contractors if you're not ready for full-time employees. 8. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to attract clients and promote your agency. This may include networking, cold calling, content marketing, social media, and partnerships with other businesses. 9. Client acquisition. Start reaching out to potential clients and pitching your services. Focus on building relationships and providing value to your clients to establish long-term partnerships. 10. Deliver exceptional service. Once you start landing clients, ensure that you deliver high-quality work and excellent customer service. Satisfied clients are more likely to refer you to others and become repeat customers. 11. Scale your business. As your agency grows, consider expanding your services, hiring more staff, and targeting new markets. Continuously evaluate and refine your business strategies to stay competitive and profitable. 12. Stay adaptable. The business landscape is always changing, so be prepared to adapt to new technologies, trends, and client needs. Stay flexible and open-minded to ensure the long-term success of your agency. Starting an agency business can be challenging, but with careful planning, dedication, and hard work, you can build a successful and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.